Okay, just got out of college and my mission is to get a mechanical keyboard. Let's go. Alright, my savings are ready to go. Time to throw some money at them. Alright, now let's get into the computer store. Oh yes. Hey, success. This is my first mechanical keyboard. Hey guys, TheTechOtaku here, and my apologies that I didn't upload anything for almost a year since I am out of ideas of what videos to do right now. So yeah, today we're gonna be unboxing the Armaggeddon MKA-3C Psychfalcon. Yes, a new keyboard to replace my Logitech K120 that was no longer in my possession. And that's a one piece to complete my broken i5 laptop setup. This one here. Yep, it still turns on and posts, but the screen is cracked. So yeah, this is my first ever mechanical keyboard. I'm so stoked getting into mechanical keyboard since I watched several mechanical keyboard reviews and some builds, mostly by TechKeyboards. Mechanical keyboard dorks who watch a video on that channel should know this guy. Alright, enough talking. Let's have a look at the box. So I have some pictures for you guys, so pause if you want to read it. Okay, so on the top of the box, it works with pretty much any operating system. Windows XP up to Windows 10. Nothing special here. Anyway, that's the front and the back of the box. Let's get into the unboxing of the Naked Gabriel. Okay, that sounds wrong. But here's the keyboard itself, protected by the foam, which is nice to see. Yup, tanky-less keyboard. I'm gonna set that keyboard to the side for now. And let's see what else we have in the box. And we have, a plastic ring keycap puller, a key switch puller, and of course, 2 extra switches. So that means this keyboard is modular, which is really nice. I'm gonna keep that. And then we have a manual, as always. Who needs that? Because everyone knows how to use a keyboard. If you want to know about effects included in the keyboard, this manual should help.
Maybe.
So this belongs to trash where Shahrin belongs. And I feel bad for her. Anyway, let's get onto the keyboard. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this out on camera. Alright, let's have a look at the keyboard itself. And as you can see, we have a Tech keycaps. The typeface is gamery, I guess, but I can live with it. I hate the font of the keycaps as they're really atrocious, but I can change the keycaps whenever I want. And take a look at the back. Holy shit, that's so heavy. Those feet are rubber tipped, and the flip-up feet are also rubber tipped. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my laptop and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the keyboard. And open up the notepad. Ooh, interesting. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and open up Notepad. Yeah. Anyway, here's the typing test. That was so satisfying. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of blue switches because they tend to annoy your sleeping relatives while you're staying up night. But oh my god, that was satisfying. As said in the box, it uses Outemu Blue switches, or I would prefer to call it the Dork MX Blue. Excuse about the LED flash, but hey, it is Outemu or Outemu Blue switches. That's the Cherry MX Blue knockoff. Outemu Blue switches is basically the China clone of Cherry MX Blue switches. They feel like it, but the bottoming out weight is like per se Cherry MX Black. This keyboard is modular, so you can replace those with better switches like Gateron switches, Zelios, Calebox, whatever you want. Let's say Calebox Wax, for example. I guess that's about it for the unboxing of this preciously new keyboard. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Be sure to enable the notifications on this channel so you don't miss out on what videos I uploaded. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace out. TheTechOtaku signing out. And my apology that my English is really dead. I'm really sorry.